and he will save us.
But if he's a gangster, which he is, we'll just come over and join it. I'm not gonna let a gangster into my house.
Why are you still wearing that costume?
Well, do you have any better ideas?
Of course, we can leave some money out in the open. And if Mr. Hu takes it, they'll prove that he is a gangster.
That's dumb. Let's just prove he's taking it for evidence. That doesn't prove he's a gangster. You know what? I'm just gonna call him.
Go ahead. I'm gonna leave some money out in the open.
And I'm going to have some ice cream. You guys want some? Okay.
It's okay, Hua, you did your best. You can't judge everybody. Let Mei Fang handle her own students.
No, please, stop. Stop.
So who stole your headphone, huh?
You. I know you did it.
KK, still don't get it. I didn't steal anything. And I have a handphone too. Why would I steal yours?
Because mine is bigger than yours.
Huh?
No, stop. Stop.
The coast is clear. Good. And nobody saw you come in here, right?
No.
Wait, no. Somebody saw you come in?
No. Yes.
Yes or no? Make up your mind.
I don't know.
Both of you, so